In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and then select Notifications. Now tap on App Notifications under Manage. Click on Most Recent and select one of those options, like Most Frequent. All you need to do now is click on the switcher next to any app from which you want to block notifications. To switch them back on, click on the same, now grey one. If you want to, you can also select any app on the left and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!